Am I the only one that didn't know Earth could get seriously weird if it wasn't round? I mean, we take it for granted that our planet is a nice, smooth sphere, spinning through space. But what if it wasn't? What if Earth was shaped like something totally different? Like a giant pizza, or even a lumpy potato? Let's get wild for a second and imagine what life would be like if Earth wasn't round at all. Picture waking up every morning on a planet shaped like a giant pizza. Flat, with maybe a few bumps here and there. Or maybe it's more like a lumpy potato with hills and valleys in all the wrong places. Here's how things would get totally bonkers. First off, gravity would be a complete mess. On a flat Earth, gravity wouldn't pull you straight down like it does now. Instead, it would tug you toward the center of the disk, so the further you walked from the middle, the more it would feel like you're climbing a steep hill, even if the ground looks flat. Imagine trying to ride your bike or skateboard near the edge. You'd be fighting gravity the whole way, and tricks would be nearly impossible. Even just walking would feel like a workout, and forget about running marathons unless you're superhuman. And what about the seasons? On a weirdly shaped Earth, sunlight would hit the surface unevenly. Some places would be stuck in endless summer, roasting under the sun, while others would be trapped in a deep freeze. You'd never know when to pack away your winter coat or break out the shorts. Weather would be unpredictable, and growing food would be a nightmare. Imagine living in a place where it could snow in the morning and be a desert by afternoon. And the atmosphere? On a flat or lumpy Earth, the air we breathe might just drift away at the edges, leaving the outer regions with barely any oxygen. Adventurers and explorers would need oxygen tanks just to survive a trip to the edge. And don't even get me started on the oceans. Tides and currents would be totally unpredictable. Water might just slosh right off the sides, leaving the center dry and the edges flooded, or worse, with no water at all. If you love the beach, you'd better hope you live near the middle, because the coastlines would be a disaster zone. So yeah, our round Earth might not be perfect, but compared to a cosmic pancake or a space potato, it's pretty awesome. Next time you look at a globe, just remember how lucky we are that Earth is round, and not a giant breakfast food. If you want more mind-blowing science, don't forget to subscribe to RKChessy. There's a whole universe of weird and wonderful facts waiting for you.